The last time Apple introduced a compact iPhone was in 2021 with the 5.4-inch iPhone 13 mini. Since then, fans of smaller devices have been hoping for a new iPhone mini equipped with the latest hardware and software. And finally, there's an interesting update regarding the iPhone 17 mini. But before we get into it, please make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more early tech updates. With brands like OnePlus and Vivo reportedly working on mini smartphones, it's clear that demand for compact devices is on the rise. But will Apple follow this trend? Unfortunately, the chances of that happening seem slim. Apple has often been slow to embrace rising market trends, and the situation appears to be no different when it comes to smaller smartphones. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who is known for reliable Apple insights, Apple has completely moved away from compact iPhones. In a Q&A session, as noted by McRumors, Gurman revealed that Apple engineers are not currently working on a smaller iPhone. Based on Apple's multi-year development cycle, the iPhone 17 mini is not expected to launch this year. As for the iPhone 18 mini next year, while it hasn't been entirely eliminated, the current market situation makes it highly unlikely, since Apple discontinued the iPhone SE and launched the iPhone 16e instead. None of its current models have screens smaller than 6 inches. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 series range from 6.1 to 6.9 inches, while older models like the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 13 mini featured 5.4-inch displays. The last iPhone SE had a 4.7-inch screen, but its thick bezels made the device larger overall. Although Apple could reconsider its stand if market demand shifts, no compact iPhone is expected soon. This year, Apple is rumored to replace the iPhone 16 Plus with the iPhone 17 Air, which will likely have the same display size, but with a slim profile of 5.4 millimeters. The Air or Slim is also expected to feature just single 48-megapixel camera lens housed in a horizontal bar, similar to what we have seen in Google Nexus P6. Do you like the iPhone 17 Air design? Feel free to share in the comments below. While Apple has never officially stated why the mini lineup was discontinued, market reports suggest that the iPhone 13 mini didn't sell well, which may have led to its discontinuation. However, many users still consider it the perfect smartphone size. Do you agree? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is in the description. In conclusion, the iPhone 17 mini seems unlikely. It's users like us who can make this compact and powerful phone a reality. If you want more videos like this and make Apple hear our voice, do let us know in the comments. What are your thoughts about a compact iPhone mini? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.